Hello everyone, today I will show you how to check to see if Siri is on or off for iPhone. And here's how it is done. First, let us open the Settings app on your iPhone. You will want to scroll down until you find Siri. There are two main ways to activate Siri. First, listen for Hey Siri. You can switch this on to use either Hey Siri or just Siri. If you want to enable it, tap the toggle, then hit Setup. You will go through a process where you say a few phrases to train Siri to recognize your voice. 2. Press the side button for Siri. This option allows you to activate Siri by pressing and holding the side button, the power button located on the right side of your phone. Simply press and hold it, and you'll see the Siri interface pop up. If you want to temporarily disable Siri, you can toggle either of these options off. Conversely, if you want to use Siri again, just switch them back on. Additionally, you can set up an accessibility shortcut to turn on Siri. To do this, go back to Settings, tap on Accessibility, scroll down to Touch, and select Back Tap. Here, you can set the triple tap option to activate Siri. So while the standard methods are using Hey Siri or pressing the side button, you can also have the flexibility to use the back tap feature for easy access. That is everything you need to know about how to check to see if Siri is on or off for iPhone. Before we end, may I humbly ask you a favor? Please do like, share, and subscribe to our channel. This means the world to us. Thank you so much for watching. We hope to see you in our next video.